In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C charger for your MacBook Pro or Air that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anker 713 Nano. The Anker 713 charger, Nano 245W, is a compact yet powerful fast charger designed to replace bulky power bricks while delivering top-tier performance. Equipped with USB Type-C connectivity, it supports a wide range of devices including smartphones, tablets, laptops, earbuds, smartwatches, and even the Nintendo Switch. With 45W of output power, it enables Samsung's super-fast charging, powers a 2020 MacBook Air at full speed, and charges an iPhone 13 up to 3 times faster than a standard 5W charger. Despite its impressive capability, the charger is 34% smaller than traditional 45W adapters, making it ideal for travel and daily use. Built with Anker's advanced GON 2 technology, it offers enhanced efficiency and thermal management through an improved circuit board design and 20% higher operating frequency, resulting in a smaller size without compromising power or safety. Supporting an input voltage of 240V and 3A output, the Nano 245W ensures consistent and reliable performance. Each package includes the Anker 713 charger, a welcome guide, an 18-month worry-free warranty, and friendly customer support. USB-C cable sold separately. Available in a sleek black finish, it's the only charger you'll ever need for fast, efficient, and safe charging on the go. Number 2. Rolling Square Supertiny. The Rolling Square Supertiny 65W USB-C GON wall charger is an ultra-compact, high-performance charging solution designed for modern travelers and tech enthusiasts. Measuring only 1.7 inches in length and 1.37 inches in width and height, and weighing just 2.47 ounces, it's one of the smallest 65W GON chargers in the world, perfect for slipping into a pocket or travel bag. Despite its tiny size, it delivers up to 65W of fast, efficient charging through its USB-C port, making it ideal for powering smartphones, tablets, laptops, headphones, and other USB-C devices. Engineered with a ribbed surface design, it enhances airflow and heat dissipation, keeping the charger up to 10 degrees Celsius cooler during operation compared to standard models. The oldable US plug and universal 240V input make it perfect for both domestic and international travel. Built with a durable mix of premium plastic and metal materials, the Supertiny charger ensures safety, longevity, and reliability in a minimalist, space-saving form. Available in sleek black, it combines portability, power, and performance, everything you need in one small, travel-ready charger. Number 3. Ugreen Nexode Pro 65W. The Ugreen Nexode Pro 65W USB-C charger delivers next-generation charging power in a compact and portable design. Part of Ugreen's advanced Nexode Pro series, it features 3 smart ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with a total output of 65W. When using the USB-C 1 port alone, it provides a full 65W fast charge, capable of powering a MacBook Air M4 from 0% to 51% in just 30 minutes. Powered by GaN Infinity chip technology, this charger ensures high efficiency, faster charging speeds, and reduced heat generation, all in a small, travel-friendly form factor. Designed for wide compatibility, it supports smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, earbuds, and more, covering major brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Sony, and Dell. Built-in intelligent safety systems protect against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent, keeping your devices and you safe. With its foldable plug, sleek black finish, and advanced GON performance, the Ugreen Nexode Pro 65W is a powerful, reliable, and portable charging solution for everyday use and travel. Number 4. Ugreen Nexode chargers with retractable cable. The Ugreen 65W GON 2 retractable USB-C charger combines power, portability, and convenience in one sleek design. Featuring a built-in retractable cable system, it uses a pull and lock mechanism that extends up to 2.3 feet, 27 inches, and locks securely at any length, perfect for eliminating tangled cords and desk clutter. With 3 smart output ports, a built-in USB-C cable, an additional USB-C port, and a USB-A port, it can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. The built-in cable delivers 60 W, while the extra USB-C port provides 20 W and the USB-A port 15 W, efficiently powering a MacBook, smartphone, and earbuds all at once. Thanks to GON 2 fast charging technology, it ensures high efficiency, reduced heat, and stable performance, charging a MacBook Air 2022 to 60% in just 40 minutes or a Galaxy S24 to 50% in 18 minutes. Equipped with 8 safeguard protection against overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, it meets UL 62368-1 safety standards for reliability. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 17 to 8 series, Galaxy S25, S10 series, Pixel, MacBook, iPad, Steam Deck, and smartwatches. This Starlight Gray GON charger offers universal 65W PD and 45W/25W PPS support, making it an ideal all-in-one charging companion for home, office, or travel. Number 5. Baseus PICOGO 67W. The Baseus 67W GON USB-C fast charger is a powerful yet ultra-compact charging solution designed for maximum portability and performance. With its high-density integrated GON design, it's 60% smaller than traditional 67W chargers, making it easy to slip into your pocket, backpack, or travel pouch without taking up space. The foldable plug ensures safe and scratch-free storage, while its sleek curved edges and textured finish offer a premium feel. Delivering up to 67W of power from a single port, it can fully charge a MacBook Pro 14-inch at top speed or fast charge 2 devices simultaneously, such as your phone, tablet, or earbuds, thanks to its smart power distribution system. Equipped with an intelligent chip, it automatically detects connected devices and adjusts output to prevent overcharging, overheating, or short circuits. TV Rhineland certified and featuring graphene-assisted cooling for efficient heat dissipation, it maintains safe and stable charging even during intensive use. Compatible with major fast charging protocols like PD 3.0, QC 4.0, and PPS, this charger works seamlessly with MacBooks, iPhones 17 to 12 series, Galaxy S25, S20 series, iPads, Pixels, and Switch consoles. Combining efficiency, safety, and portability, the Baseus 67W GON charger is the perfect travel-friendly power solution for all your modern devices.